Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video I am going to show you how we can select the right strike price to trade in short strangle kind of strategy. Before this is a full analysis video how to select a right strike price to find out a short straddle. Some technical indicator we are used to find out, and also we are finding the range, then we are going to make a straddle. So I hope this may be a useful video those who are option seller, and if you are new to option trading, and that is the video for you. Before that, you can subscribe and like if you like this video and share to your friends. And if you have any questions, comment on this video chat box. We will discuss about that your comment too. Okay, so now what we are going to take the chart, whatever the stocks, first of all we are finding out the stock which is trading narrow range, the premium is going to decay if the stock trading in a narrow range. If the stock moves on a trending either upside or it may be a downside, the premium is going to increase because the ATM premium may lose its time value. The same time another option may come to ITM, so that value will increase. In a trending market, the strategy is not working. But even though if you are managing or if you are adjusting the trade, so that there also we can make profit from the same kind of trade. Okay. So how to find out the stock which is in a narrow range, or how we can decide the stock can trade with a narrow range? So that we simply follow the methods which we can use the ADX 14 period ADX. While you are using the ADX 14 period, so that will give you some idea about whether the stock is trending or range mode or non-trending. So we are not predicting the trend of the market using ADX. We are predicting the strength of the market. We are not predicting the trend, and we are predicting the strength of the market. So how it became show you the strength of the market. So let's try it out. Just a second. We can find out. Just a second. Okay. So using the ADX, we can find out the uh, strength of the trend. Okay, we are finding out the strength of the trend using the ADX. So simple the parameter which you can use in a ADX is greater than 20. For example, if ADX is greater than 20, okay, so that is a trending market. When ADX is below 20, that is where we are focusing the narrow range on the range bound market expected. So now you see the daily chart of the sale, where we are seeing the current market price is the spot market price 132.25. In this scenario, so the ADX, while you are checking the ADX is right now it is 14. The ADX is trading around 14 and the ADX is facing downwards. So it looks like it's facing the downward. So even the momentum is going to reduce, or the momentum is very less according to the current market price. And you see that when the ADX is going up over and about 25, the trend is there in a particular stock or index. But ADX is started moving, so the ADX is started moving down at this point because it made a peak in the price, and it started moving down, but it is not telling you the downtrend. It is telling you that the momentum can decrease or the movement of the stock is reduced. The normal range, so when the ADX is more than 20, the range is bigger, and the ADX is started moving down, the range is very narrow or low. So here you see that after the ADX is going down, you see the stock were in the narrow range, but previously you see that the stock is around 80 to 150. It's moved and the ADX is going up. So using this ADX parameter, we can find out whether the stock is trending or a range bound. And now the current market is 132 and ADX. And another important thing, while if you are focusing ADX, it must be facing downward, because here also the ADX should be around 15, but it is facing upward, which tell you maybe it can cross above 20 also. So while if you are focusing the ADX which is below 20, but if it is facing upward, we can avoid, and when the ADX is facing downward, so we can try to take the range bound stocks and below 20, and it should be facing a downward, because whenever it is sloping up, if it is trading 18 and where it can break about 20 also, that time we may, the momentum can increase or the movement of the stock can increase. Okay, so once we are confirming with that ADX also whether the trend is going to be the strength of the trend is going to very less. So now we seen that the ADX is showing you the strengthless trend, and the price also moving in a narrow range. From last 1 month it is doing a narrow range trend. So if the stock is moving with the narrow range, we can easily make money on short straddle or strangle, and the selling options will always give you the better result, while if you are doing the strategy with when the stock is trading narrow range. That is the thing which we are going to understand at this point. So now we selected this stock. So how we can make a straddle or even a strangle? Straddle, we can go for a ATM option selling. So once if you are doing the ATM straddle, so we have some cushions what we are the premium collected. So somewhere we sold some premium, so we may be getting. Let's say with the option chain, and we go for a sale because we selected based on the ADX parameter. So now the current market price is trading around 132.8. So the ATM straddle is around 132.5. So now how we can make some calculations using. So let's calculate the premium which is trading 7.25, that is a call side, and a put side which is trading around 6.35. So the total premium where we got is around somewhere around 13.6, almost 14 rupees we got the premium at this particular point. So here both the options were ATM having only time value, so we don't find any intrinsic value in these options, because both the options having only time value. If the stock stays on the same level, all the time value is going to decay in a expiry. So the option prices which is worthless right now according to the expiry, but the premium which is present around 13. So buyer can expect there will be a movement, or seller also can expect, or put buyer or call buyer, they are expecting some movement is expected on the stock. So that is around 13.6. We take as a, can the stock can move around 13.6 or 14 rupees. Now the current market price is 132. Let's have the example. So we will expect plus or minus 14 up or down in this stock. So the total premium which is added by the call and put of ATM, so we will receive the 14 rupees premium, and so we can expect either if the stock goes up, so it may goes to 146. Here if it is goes down, so we may be 132 minus 14 122, and almost 14 118 we can expect, right? 14 118. So these are the range we find out for the stock. So either if the stock goes up, we can expect this price, or we can expect this price too. If it is uptrend, we can expect 146. If it is a downtrend, we can expect 118. So we find the range of the stocks too. So once the range is clear, we can create a short straddle at this point, or we can create a short strangle also. So if I go to take a short strangle, so what are the premium which I can receive, or what type of uh, options I can select. So this is the range. So if still the same conditions which maintain on the stock, we will see it is around 132. So it made a high of 140 and it made a low of 117. So this is the previous range also same, and as per the option premium we see the same range. So 14 point off, so we got a 47. So we may be selling short strangle around 150 strike price. Let's say I'm going to sell this 150 strike price at 2 rupees. So even 146 is my expected range. So even I can select the strike which is higher 150, and lower level I can go for a 115 put options. So here 1.25. So here 2 rupees in a call option and 1.25 in a put options. Even 3.25 which we are make a short strangle. So where we can exit the short strangle, or how we can manage the short strangle. Okay, so when the price is moving more than your break-even point, there is a chances to make loss. But some if market trading in a narrow range, the premium of short straddle going to be decay. So let's show you how the short straddle or short strangle it's giving you profit. Let's do that. We will create a. We will check the short strangle. So now our upper strike price is 150 and the lowest strike price is around 115. So these are the strike prices for this contract which I selected, and you see that previously the current price of the strangle is 3.25. Now 3 rupees 25 paisa and the lot size here is around 9,500. So almost we got the strangle premium alone near about 30,000 rupees. But you see the same strangle because while we are checking the chart, it is a very narrow in range, and from the last from June itself it was a narrow range, and suddenly it spikes up and recovered and coming down the same price. If you're checking with the first of this month and 21st June, we need a previous more data, the 1st of June, so we don't get in the full detail about the strike prices, but currently it is trading 3 rupees and it made a peak of 4.27. Previously it made, this is what a strangle chart. Okay, it is previously made high is around 4.27. Let's show you. If we are going to create a short strangle, even we can create at 3.25 and we can maintain this top as a stop loss with a 4.25. So 1 rupee we are going to take a risk, and if the market stays in the same range, we are going to get a 3.5 rupees or 3.25 as a maximum profit. So risk reward, if you compare 1 rupee, we are making a stop loss, and 3 rupees we are going to expect profit. Sometimes it may be trigger your stop loss too, but if you follow the system, and if you first of all the main thing to select a right stock to make a straddle and or a strangle, that will give you some better result. And if you are checking the same also from 21st, or even well, the data is there in 14th or 14th June, at that time it was a 7 rupees premium. Okay, from 14th to now 28th, almost 15 days, in the last 15 days will the strangle, it loses its premium is more than 50%. So that is the strategy which we can get a smaller amount in a strangle, that will give you some better result. Even sometimes market may go to in a trending basis, so that time we can manage some stop loss basis. How we can manage that stop loss basis, and let's show you. For example, we sold a call at 2 rupees and we sold put at 2 rupees. We sold, for example, if you are selling a call plus put at 4 rupees, so we can make stop loss for a individual legs. Okay, so for example, if I make a 100% stop loss for both the sides, so 4 rupees, if any option will comes to 2 to 4 rupees, I'm going to exit. But if any option which is increased 4 rupees, so the remaining one may be 0.5 or 0.7. like that one, because the time premium is going to down. But the 2 rupees option can it doubled means the market having high momentum because it is nearing the strike prices of call side, or it is nearing the strike prices of put side. So opposite leg 100% it is going to lose its premium. So that time we can make some minimum losses if the strangle goes wrong. But if you are following the right way, even sure we are going to make money on the short strangle also. The strike price selection, so we are finding out the range of the stock. After finding out the range, we are making selecting the strike prices based on the range. So then we are going to apply the strategy. But the main important thing to make this kind of strategy, the stock should be in a range bound. To find out the range bound stocks, we are using ADX. So a lot of stocks we can easily find out ADX value is less than, and you can use charting screener, and you can create a scan, and it will filter out what are the stocks which is trading below ADX 20. Like you can make a ADX on daily ADX is less than the number of 20. So let's find out the stocks in the future. Let's see how many stocks. So a lot of stocks is there to make a good opportunity in a short strangle, but you have to select the stock or checking the stock with for example NMDC, the National Aluminium NMDC is there, and you just manually check NMDC how the ADX is showing us. See, clearly the ADX is going down and now it is below 18. Here it is trading 182. The NMDC is trading around 182. If you are making a straddle or a strangle in this particular stock, so we may be getting some good profit. And now 182, and we are going to check what is the ATM premium. NMDC, let's check that NMDC's ATM premium. So how we can easily select the strangle. So 185 is the current ATM, and 8 rupees and 7.5. So almost 16 rupees is the premium. So if you are making a 16 rupees, we can focus 200 call option, and from here we can make a 170 put option. Put option is 2 rupees 45 paisa, and the call option we are trading 3.45. So almost we are going to get some premium of 5.5 rupees or 6 rupees near about. And let's check the same strangle chart also. So NMDC and how it is going down the premium. So I'm going to take 200 call option, the same time 170 put option. We're taking that, it is around 5.9, that is around near about 60 rupees 60 paisa, sorry 6 rupees, and 5.9 is the current market. But previously it was trading around 9 rupees and it is fallen down to 5 rupees. And even if you check this first of this month, so whether it's available, not available, from 10th June the premium of straddle is trading around 12 rupees. Now it is trading around just 5.9. So this is the power where we can create a short straddle or a strangle using the stock selection. So once you are selecting a right stock, that will give some stocks having highly volatile, but so those stocks you think that the stock will high volatile like Adani. And so if you check that this one, even though the ADX is going down, it's facing down, but the ADX is not below 20, it is now 28. So still the high momentum is there in the stock, so we cannot go for a short straddle kind of strategy this particular stock. But if you are selling around 800, it went up to 1600 and suddenly it fallen down to 1200, again it recovered. So big momentum because of the high strength, and it will be shown in the ADX. And the stock which is low and facing downward, it should be a good one. So this is JSW. I'm not checking the future, just check with the equity, so we will get a full data. And you see the same stock also which is facing, now it is closing near about 20, but if you are checking that, there will be a down facing. So even we can take a short straddle or a strangle based on the option premium, so that will give you some better understanding or making. So this is the strategy which we are telling about how we can find the short strangle strike prices, that using the ATM premium we can make short strangle kind of strategy. Using the ATM premium we can select the strike, and we will get some good amount of profit using this kind of strategy. If you like this strategy, you can like and share to your friends. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And I hope this may be a helpful video. And thanks for being with me, and thanks for watching this video, and thank you for your subscription. Thank you so much.